So class, good morning to all of you. Now we start the chapter 7, and we will do the remaining part of this chapter. Name of the chapter is congruence of triangles. We were doing exercise 7.2. The two criteria we have discussed, that is in the last class, that is criteria side angle side and the example based on it, and criteria which is angle side angle, and now we will do the examples which is based on angle side angle criteria. So example 6 in your book. In example 6, it is written that by applying angle side angle congruency rule, it is to be established that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle QRP, and it is given that BC is equals to RP. Now what additional information is needed to establish the congruence? Okay, so we have to satisfy here angle side angle congruency criteria for congruence of this triangle ABC and triangle QRP, and one information is given, the side BC is equals to RP. We have to find the two more criteria, that is two more relation, that is angle and angle, for establishing angle side angle criteria. So here we have the two triangles, ABC triangle PQR, and it is given that BC is equals to RP. BC is equals to RP. Now for establishing angle side angle congruency rule, we have two angles between which the two sides, we have two angles, we need two angles between which two sides, that is given BC and RP, both are equal to each other, are included, and so we have the additional information here. We need two angles between which the two sides, that is given BC and RP in both the triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, are included. So the additional information, is these two sides are equal to each other, so the angle which is on the side, that is triangle in triangle PQR, angle P, or if we take in triangle ABC, angle B should be equal to angle R, and angle C is should be equals to angle P. This is the additional information for angle side angle congruency rule, by which these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle QRP, congruent to each other. So our next example, now we will proceed our next example, that is example 7. In example 7 there is a figure. Okay, and here we have two triangles, triangle ACO and triangle BOD. Triangle BOD. Sorry, B and B here. Now the angles are given here: 30 degree and here 70 degree, and this is of 3 centimeter, and can be written as unit is not given, so 3 unit. And the second is 70 degree and same 3 units. 3 units is the measurement of side BD and side AC in both the triangles. So here in triangle AOC, first we find the all the angles of these two triangles, that is triangle AOC and triangle BOD. So in triangle AOC we have to first let me tell you what we have to do in this question. We have to satisfy the angle side angle congruency rule, by which these two triangles, triangle AOC and triangle BOD, are congruent to each other. Okay, so for that, in triangle AOC we can find all the three angles in triangle AOC by angle sum property. By angle sum property, we all know that all the angles the sum of all angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So all the angles in triangle AOC is angle ACO plus angle AOC plus angle CAO, all equals to 180 degree. Some measurements are given here. Angle ACO is equals to 70 degree, AOC is equals to 30 degree, and here we have to find angle CAO. So here when we add 70 and 30, we got 100 degree, and angle CAO is equals to 180 degree. Now angle CAO is equals to 180 minus 100 degree. Now 80 degree. So angle CAO is equals to 80 degree. So here we find 80 degree angle. And in triangle BOD, angle BOD is equals to angle AOC. Why? Because both are vertically opposite angles. So here angle BOD is equals to 30 degree. Now by angle sum property, write down all the angles of triangle BOD, and we have to find here this angle DBO. So all the angles in triangle BOD is angle DOD plus angle ODB plus angle OBD is equals to 180 degree. Angle DOB we find here 30 degree, and ODB is given 70 degree, and we have to find angle OBD is equals to 180 degree. Now 70 plus 30, it is equals to 100 degree. Now angle OBD is equals to 180. So angle OBD is equals to 180 minus 100. So angle OBD is equals to 80 degree. Here OBD 80 degree. Here it is 30 degree. Now we will satisfy the angle side angle criteria for triangle AOC and triangle BOD. Now in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, AC is equals to BD. This is of 3 units, which is given, and the two angles which we can find on these two sides AC and BD are angle A is equals to angle B, write it as angle CAO is equals to angle OBD, both are 80 degree, and angle ACO is equals to angle BDO, which is of 70 degree. So here we have the two angles, and the side included them are in both the triangles are equal to each other. Therefore triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD. So here by angle side angle congruency rule, by angle side angle congruency rule, triangle ACO is congruent to triangle BDO. Now we will check the corresponding parts of these two triangles are written in correct form or not. Here angle A, angle B, angle A, angle B, okay, it is correct. Now angle C should be equals to angle D. So angle C is equals to angle D. Now, so it is written in correct form. All the corresponding parts are written to its all the corresponding part written in right manner. So our next criteria is RHS, that is 4 RHS, congruency. RHS congruency rule. In this criteria, the hypotenuse and one side of a right angle triangle, are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle. If these conditions is satisfied, then both the triangles are congruent. Triangles are congruent. By reading this criteria in the statement of this criteria, we can easily find that these criteria only be satisfied on right angle triangle. Okay. So, for example, suppose here is a triangle. That is triangle ABC, right angle at P, and triangle PQR, right angle at Q, and the measurement of hypotenuse, that is AC in triangle ABC, is of 10 centimeter, and in triangle PQR the hypotenuse is PR, its measurement is 10 centimeter, and one side, take it as AB in triangle ABC as 8 centimeter, and in triangle PQR side PQ is 8 centimeter. So in triangle ABC Now we will check whether the RHS criteria is satisfied for triangle ABC and triangle PQR or not. PQR. Angle ABC is equals to angle PQR, which is of 90 degree given, and hypotenuse and primary ABC side AC is equals to hypotenuse of triangle PQRS PR, and one side in triangle ABC is AB. Both these two hypotenuse is equals to 10 centimeter, which is given, and AB, side AB is equals to side PP, which is of 8 centimeter, which is given also. So hypotenuse one side and a right angle triangle. In both the triangles, triangle PQR and triangle ABC are equal to each other. So by RHS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. Now we will discuss the example which is based on RHS criteria, which is given in your notebook, in your book. So example number 8. Example 8. It is given that given below are measurements of some part of two triangles. We have to examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not using RHS congruency rule. In case of congruent triangles, write the result in symbolic form. We have to check whether the triangles are congruent to each other or not by satisfying RHS congruency rule. So the first measurement is of triangle ABC. The measurement are angle B equals to 90 degree, angle B equals to 90 degree, and AC equals to 8 centimeter, and AB equals to 3 centimeter, and in triangle PQR, and triangle PQR, angle P equals to 90 degree, and PR is 3 centimeter and QR is 8 centimeter. PR is of 3 centimeter and QR is of 8 centimeter. Now we can make the triangles here. Triangle ABC, right angle at B, and what the measurement AC is of 8 centimeter and KB of 3 centimeter, and here triangle PQR, PP, PQR is of 8 centimeter. Right angle at PR is of 3 centimeter. And triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, one side, that is side PR and AB. AB equals to PR, 3 centimeter, and hypotenuse that is AC and triangle ABC, and hypotenuse in triangle PQR is QR. Both are equal and of 8 centimeter given, and angle B is equals to angle B, each 90 degree given. So by RHS congruency rule, here we find one hypotenuse, that is AC, and QR, both are equal to each other, and one side AB is equal to side PR, both are equal to each other and of 3 centimeter, and one angle, that is angle B is equals to angle P, each of 90 degree. So by here RHS criteria is satisfied here. So by RHS congruency rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Write down the corresponding part. We have to write. So AB equals to PR, AB equals to PR. Write it down. B should be equals to here. Right here, take a look. B should be equal to P. So it is written in. It is not written in correct manner. So R P. Now it is correct. B is equals to P, and one side is hypotenuse AC is equals to QR. Now R is written one part. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. Now the second part of this example. Triangle ABC. The parts are angle A is equals to 90 degree, angle and AC is equals to 5 centimeter, and BC is equals to 9 centimeter, and in triangle PQR, the measurements are angle P equals to 90 degree, and the sides PR is equals to 8 centimeter, PR is equals to 8 centimeter, and PQ equals to 5 centimeter. So let's make a figure of these two triangles. Triangle ABC. AC is of 5 centimeter, okay, and hypotenuse, that is side BC, is of 9 centimeter. Now another triangle, that is triangle PQR. Right angle at Q, PQR. PR is of 8 centimeter, that is the hypotenuse of this triangle. PR is of 8 centimeter, PQ is of 5 centimeter. Here you can find that the hypotenuse in these two triangles are not equal to each other. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, hypotenuse AC is not equals to hypotenuse PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR because the hypotenuse of these two triangles are not equal to each other. Okay, so class, now it's time for your homework. So class, your homework for today is question number 1 D part, question number 2 D part, and question 4, 5, 6 and 7. Question 4, 5, 6 and 7. Question 1 D part, question 2 D part, and question number 4, 5, 6, 7 is your homework. Thank you class. It's all over for today. Thank you.